各位同學，我哋而家教授第14課 Growth and Development。我哋首先搞清楚呢個 growth 同埋 development 嘅 definition 先啦。Growth it refer to the permanent, irreversible increase， 即 in size and mass。咁即係話水分就唔計㗎啦喎，因為水可以蒸發啊嘛。咁係可以 reversible 噶嘛，嗰個 size 可以變大，即係變翻細噶嘛個 mass。咁所以咧就唔計水分嘅。我哋有個字咧叫做一個dry mass， 就以 gram 做單位，一般以 gram 做單位或者 kg 度做單位。咁呢個 dry mass 咧，其實就係代表住嗰個實質擁有幾多個 mass。OK， 翻嚟呢度 ，growth it refers to the permanent, irreversible increase in size and mass as a result of synthesis of new protoplasm。嗱 protoplasm 咧就即係 cell membrane 加埋 cytoplasm， 都係包埋 cytoplasm 裏邊所有嘅嘢㗎。咁唔包乜嘢咧？就唔包個 cell wall 嘅。咁即係 cytoplasm 裏邊嗰啲 nucleus 啊、mitochondria 一路落去啊，冚唪唥都包晒啦啊！咁如果按住呢個定義嚟講咧 ，cell division 同埋 cell enlargement 都係屬於 growth 啦。進一步介紹 cell division 同埋 cell enlargement。cell division 咧就導致 an increase in number of cells。咁過程係進行咗呢個 mitotic cell division 啦。cell enlargement 嘅意思即係話一個 increase in cell volume 咁解。咁 growth 嘅定義就介紹咗咯喎。咁 development 係咩意思咧？咁樣咁 development 嘅定義係咁㗎。It is the increase in complexity of body organization。好啦，咁就住呢一個定義咧，乜嘢屬於 development 啊？ Differentiation of cells， 例如一個 stem cell differentiate 成為呢個 nerve cell、red blood cell、smooth muscle cell， 如此類推。咁就 by definition 咧，都係叫做 development。咁 development 嘅重要性喺邊度啊？就係 enable division of labour among different specialized cells 嘅。跟住咧，我哋就會學習呢個點樣量度個 growth 啊。咁基本上有3種咧，大家都要掌握㗎。第一種咧就係量度佢個 length 或者 height 啦咁樣。呢個 advantage 咧就係 easy and quick。Organism is not killed， 冇死到嘅。disadvantage 咧就係 growth in one direction may not resemble growth in other direction。即係我哋而家讀緊一個單向一個方向嘅 growth 啫嘛，佢可能同時間咧又會變肥又變長，係咪？咁所以咧有機會唔係咁準確地度到個 growth 㗎。好啦，另一種度法咧就係度個 fresh mass。佢係包括埋水分咁樣一齊抌落個秤嗰度去到度㗎。好處咧就係 easy to measure。同樣啦 organism is not killed， 唔需要殺死個植物。Disadvantage 係 affected by the water content，which changes are not related to growth。by 定義咧，嗰個 water content 咧嘅 change 咧就同 growth 係冇關㗎。你可以睇翻前面嗰版。 用 dry mask 嚟到度嗰個 growth 咧，其實就係3種方法裏邊最 accurate 嗰個方法㗎。咁但係有個 disadvantage 啦，就係 organism has to be killed。咁殺死咗個 organism 本身可能就係一個 disadvantage 啦。咁但係同時間咧，殺死咗個植物，亦都即係代表唔能夠再繼續度佢嗰個 growth 咯，因為都死咗啦咁樣。咁所以咧，喺一個研究裏邊咧，如果以 dry mask 嘅形式係度個 growth 嘅話咧，就必須要大量，譬如話要大量嘅同一類型嘅植物，因為殺死咗幾棵，咁仲有好多棵剩啊嘛，咁佢哋可以繼續 grow，繼續生長。咁當然要 assume 佢哋每一棵嘅生長嘅速度啦，就住嗰個條件嘅情況底下咧，都係一樣咁快啦咁樣。Thus a large number of the same kind of organism kept at identical conditions are needed if the growth were to be measured。因為如果唔係咁樣做咧，就冇可能得到個 growth 嘅，因為 growth 係 involve 一個 a period of time。咁呢度定義埋嗰個 dry mask 先啦。dry mask 就係 mass after removal of water，咁早前講過啦。咁我呢度係清楚再講多一次。It can be obtained by placing an organism in an oven at 110 degrees Celsius until its mass become constant。好啦，呢度我都好期望同學咧掌握呢個 large number 嘅要求嚇。所以我再重新講一次用呢個 dry mask 去 measure growth。我哋一般只會用於植物嘅啫，基於人道嘅原因，就唔會大量咁樣殺死嗰啲動物嘅，特別係人啦，當然冇可能啦。咁如果植物嚟講咧，我哋一次嘅實驗咧就種100棵植物嚟到睇佢哋嘅 grow。咁喺第一日咧就攞10棵嚟到度佢哋嗰個 dry mask，跟住第二日咧再攞10棵，第三日再攞10棵，咁一路都可以攞，都起碼可以攞10，咁就可以睇得到嗰個植物嘅 mass，植物嘅 individual 個 mass，隨住時間嘅推進，有啲咩嘢改變，而去睇到佢個 growth。咁每次攞10棵植物咧嘅用途咧係可以減低個誤差，因為10棵植物可以除翻10啊嘛，嗰個 mass，咁樣就減少每棵植物喺量度時候嘅誤差。好啦，跟住落嚟咧，我哋會重點講喺植物嘅 growth 同埋 development 嘅。咁特別係會先講 annual plants 啦，跟住就講呢個種子法啊。咁 annual plants 講咗先係 A。Growth of an annual plant， 一年生嘅植物，一開始就有個叫做 initial negative growth， 其實就係講緊個種子咧喺未有 photosynthesis 能力之前咧，嗰個 food store 係會用咗stored food is respired to release energy for the growth of the 種子嘅嗰芽咧生上去嗰個咧就叫做 plumule， 生落去嗰個咧就係叫做 radicle 嘅。咁當然 plumule 稍後就會形成嗰個 shoots 啦，而 radicle 咧就會形成嗰個 roots 嘅。咁一跌咗落去之後咧，就會上翻嚟喎嗰個 growth， 因為photosynthesis 咧就開始大過 respiration 咁樣嗰個速率，但係一開始都係 slow growth 嘅。 lack of mature leaf 有 leaf，但係就 lack 一啲嘅大塊啲或者係成熟嘅葉啦，which can photosynthesize effectively 或者 actively 啦。都 faster than respiration 呢個好重要啊，因為 faster than respiration 先至可以有 growth，因為先至可以製造到食物。Slow photosynthesis results in slight or net gain in organic matter。咁跟住咧就去到一個 rapid growth 嘅時間啦，就會有大量嘅 leaves 啦進行 photosynthesis 啦。Fast photosynthesis results in a rapid 我哋話 net gain， 因為有 respiration 係用咗啲 organic matter 㗎嘛，咁啊 photosynthesis 就製造啲 organic matter， 就所以我哋話net gain 就會係個 growth 啦。Fast photosynthesis results in rapid net gain in organic matter。咁跟住落嚟咧，就去到一個階段叫做 no growth 嘅階段。Food production equals food consumption。點解咧？其實嗰棵植物咧要準備進行 reproduction 啊，咁佢好多 energy 咧就需要用咗愛嚟喺做 reproduction 嗰啲工作。咁所以咧呢度就咁講㗎 ，because the respiration rate increases to meet the increased energy demand from reproduction 嘅。你可以理解得到 reproduction 嘅時候要製造果實啦，咁果實都需要能量去製造嘅。好啦，咁跟住落嚟咧，我哋就講嗰個種子法啊 ，germination of seed into seedling。Role of cotyledon 有3個 role。第一個 role 咧就係、supply food to the plumule and radicle during germination。咁第二個 role 咧就可能may protect the plumule， 咁視乎嗰個植物may protect the plumule and before it emerges from the soil。For example, soya bean 呢個種子大豆嘅種子。第三個 role 咧就 may turn green to carry out photosynthesis。Germination of a dicot seed 有5個步驟喺 dicot seeds 嘅 germination 裏邊。何謂 dicot 咧？其實係 dicotyledonous plant 嘅種子。咁呢個種子咧係有雙子葉，即係 two cotyledon 嘅，咁所以叫做 dicot seeds。咁首先咧就定義咗咩叫做 germination 先。germination 就係 when the embryo start to grow 嘅時候咧，就係 germination 啦。咁define 咗 germination 嘅定義先喎，就係 when the embryo start to grow。咁點樣會導致嗰個 embryo start to grow 啊？首先咧，嗰個 seed 要 absorb water 先嘅。咁嗰個種子咧有個窿，嗰個窿咧叫做 micropyle。大家應該認識呢個字。喺 reproduction 嘅時候咧，嗰個 pollen tube 咧就係穿過呢個 micropyle，最後令到 fertilization 發生嘅。咁水入咗去個種子裏邊，嗰個 cotyledon 就會脹啦 ，swell。嗰個 cotyledon 脹咧就會整爛個 seed coat。咁跟住咧，嗰啲 insoluble food stored in a cotyledon 就會轉做一啲嘅 soluble form 嘅。咁即係一啲嘅單糖、雙糖、monosaccharide、disaccharide 係 maltose 啦，同埋 glucose 咁樣。咁呢個過程咧係 catalyzed by enzyme 啦。 and transported 嗰啲咁嘅 soluble form of food 咧，就 transport to the radicle 同埋 plumule， 咁即係嗰個生長點啦。for growth 嘅。咁當嗰個 radicle 生咗出嚟之後咧，就會 absorb water 同埋 mineral 啦。plumule 生到離開個泥土之後咧，就會有葉啦。咁嗰啲葉咧就可以進行 photosynthesis to make their own food 嘅。跟住落嚟咧，就有3個 condition 咧係會影響呢個 seed germination。第一個就係水，第二個就係 oxygen， 第三個就係 warmth。咁 oxygen 喺空氣裏邊有噶嘛，咁所以空氣就已經足夠啦。水 water 有啲咩用途啊？Soften seed coat, which can then be easily ruptured by the growing plumule and radicle. It hydrolyzes and activates the enzymes which break down food reserves. It also provides a medium for the transport of soluble food from the cotyledon to the growing region. Growing region 係包括埋 plumule radicle of the embryo for energy release by respiration and growth. Air oxygen is required for aerobic respiration 即係一隻需要氧氣嘅 respiration。當然亦都係有無氧呼吸anaerobic respiration 咁而家係講緊 aerobic respiration which provides energy to support the rapid growth of the embryo. 溫度都重要warm temperature ensure efficient functioning of 乜嘢咧？估唔估到？冇錯啦，就係 enzyme to maintain a high metabolic rate for supporting the rapid growth of the embryo 㗎。跟住落嚟咧，又介紹一個實驗。咁呢個實驗咧，就係要研究 seed germination 嘅所需要嘅 condition 㗎。咁有 experiment A、experiment B 同埋 experiment C。得出嘅 result 咧 ，experiment A 咧 ，soaked seed 有 wet cotton wool 就有 germination，soaked seed dry cotton wool 就冇 germination，soaked seed wet cotton wool soaked in alkaline pyrogallo 嗱呢隻咁嘅 chemical 咧係可以吸 oxygen 嘅，咁就 no germination。得出咩結論咧 ？Water is required for seed germination， 但係要得出呢個結論之前咧，係要 compare 邊兩個實驗咧？就係 compare B 同埋 A 嘅。Oxygen is required for seed germination， 就係 compare 呢個 C 同埋 A。咁我呢度有個筆記咧，亦都略略咁樣解釋點解 compare 呢兩個 experiment。B is different from A in only one variable， 即係 the absence of water。C is different from A in only one variable， that is the absence of oxygen。只可以 change 一個 variable 係一個實驗，嗰個結論 conclusion 先至係 valid。B 同埋 C 咧係 control set up for A respectively 嘅。所謂 control set up 咧就係拎走咗要研究嗰個因素，就係個 control experiment 啦。control set up 啦，你可以睇翻上面，睇下邊個因素係拎走咗，就係 B 同埋 C 成為 control set up 嘅原因。好啦，咁跟住介紹 growth and development of the root tip 喺植物生到成年嘅時候咧，咁嗰個 root tip 仍然係不斷咁樣生長嘅，咁係好好一個例子咧，愛嚟 demonstrate 呢個 growth 嘅。第一點 ，cell division in young plants are restricted to tips。呢個 R 字再改翻做 R。Restricted to tips, which are known as the growing point。咁呢啲 growing point 咧就叫做 meristem。咁特別呢個尖呢個 喺個root 嘅 tip 咧或者係 shoot 嘅 tip 咧，仲要叫做 apical meristem 添。The activity results in an increase in length 嘅。咁呢個 growth in the root tip 咧，就會導致一個 increase in length of the root。好啦，咁 root 就分為3部分啦。我哋將第一個部分咧就叫做 region of cell division， 喺邊度㗎？ It locates at the tip of young root, where the cells are actively dividing to produce new cells。咁呢個就係嗰個 tip of the young root。咁 tip of the young root 咧，唔係淨係有呢個 region of cell division 嘅，呢個 region of cell division 係好脆弱㗎，所以咧上面就有個叫做 root cap 嘅部分，就保護住呢個 region of cell division 嘅。咁呢度繼續啦，喺呢個 region 咧 ，the cells are small, thin-walled, no vacuole 嘅。It is covered by a root cap which protects the root tip as it grows through the soil。跟住再上少少咧，就係嗰個 region of cell elongation 啦。好似咁樣 ，it is the region behind the region of cell division. The cell here absorb water and form vacuole, which fuse to form large central vacuole。咁就形成咗呢啲咁嘅 fuse to form large central vacuole 咧，就搞到一個 hydrostatic pressure 咧 increase to stretch the cell wall 嘅。咁跟住就去到嗰個 region of differentiation 啦。隨住根一路生落去咧，咁 after the cell are fully expanded at the region of cell elongation, their cell wall will be hardened 硬咗啲啦。不特止，嗰啲細胞咧 ，the cell differentiated into various tissue 㗎，有 xylem 啦，喺呢一部分見到，有 phloem 啦，喺呢一部分見到，咁亦都有 root hair， 咁喺綠色呢一部分見到嘅。咁呢啲結構咧係有扮演唔同嘅角色 ，carry out various function 嘅。咁亦都係有唔同細胞、唔同 tissue 嚟到扮演嘅呢個角色，呢個 function。跟住落嚟咧就係介紹 human 嘅 growth and development 啦。咁 for human 咧，嗰個 cell division 咧就係全身都進行緊嘅喎。咁以皮膚做例子啦，我哋嘅皮膚咧每日咧都係會不斷咁樣進行細胞分裂。咁一路咧推上去將啲細胞推上去皮膚嘅表面，跟住變咗死嘅皮膚，咁跟住就甩出嚟，好似皮咁甩出嚟。咁如果你用個高倍嘅顯微鏡咧去睇翻嗰啲細胞咧，你就會見得到嗰啲細胞咧係 積極咁樣進行緊分裂嘅 mitotic cell division。好啦，咁人類咧就有第一點呢度嚇，就有兩個 rapid growth period。咁第一個當然係啱啱出世啦。咁第二個 rapid growth period 咧就係青春期 puberty。不過咧，呢個第二個嘅 rapid growth period 咧，喺女仔就嚟先嘅喎，即係早少少進入呢個 second rapid growth period 嘅喎。咁跟住落嚟咧，就介紹咧唔同嘅 body part 嗰個 growth rate 啦。咁首先咧，就話俾大家聽 ，different part of the body grow at different rate 嘅。跟住咧就 nervous system brain grows rapidly for the first few years to enable fast learning at an early life。reproductive system 咧就遲啲先發育remains undeveloped until puberty 直到青春期先發育。To ensure 有重要性嘅喎，that no reproduction is possible at early life when individuals are incapable of taking care of their babies。好啦，咁跟住到喺青春期嘅時候咧，嗰個生理上面嘅改變 ，physical changes of the body at puberty。At puberty, sex organ 包括呢個 testis 啊、ovary 就會 enlarge and become mature 啦。所謂 mature 咧，亦即係 functional，可以進行佢嘅功能咁解。咁呢個係為之 primary sexual characteristics 㗎。The mature sex organ begin to secrete sex hormone, which stimulate the testis, ovary 或者 ovary to produce sperm 或者 release egg。The sex hormone also exerts effect， 即係除咗個 sex hormone 咧，係除咗 stimulate 個 ovary 同埋個 testis 以外咧，仲會刺激其他部位嘅喎。咁刺激其他部位嘅時候咧，就會導致 secondary sexual characteristics。咁以下係一啲 secondary sexual characteristics，咁小學中一嘅年代咧都學過㗎啦。咁boys 就會hair grows on face around and around genital area。genital 咧即係個性器官個附近啦咁樣。girls 就 grows around the genital area 啦。咁至於 boys 咧就 shoulder 會 widens 啦。girls 咧就 hip 個盤骨嗰度咧就會 widens 啦。重要性就係 prepare for 呢個pregnancy 咁樣。in boys 嗰個 larynx 咧喉核啦係嘛 larynx enlarge 就導致個 voice deepens。girls 咧就會有個 breast 嘅 development 咁樣。咁 boys 咧就會 develop strong 嘅 muscle 啦 ，girls 就會有多啲脂肪喺嗰個 subcutaneous layer 嗰度嘅。好啦，咁跟住就請同學咧就做咗呢個1至到30題嘅 MC， 跟住呈交上去 Google Classroom 㗎。老師會喺批改完你嘅 MC 之後咧，將較多同學錯嘅題目咧喺上堂嘅時候同大家討論嘅。